class is college algebra. Welcome. Today I'm gonna solve one problem, one example to show you what I mean or what I mean this topic, equation containing radicals. Okay. We have this example here. Solve a square root of 2x plus 3 minus a square root x plus 1 equals 1. Alright? Now, the next step here, we have to square both sides. So now here, next step, square both sides. Alright? So in this case, we are going to have here, if you square both sides, these sides and these sides, this is the left side and the right side, you're going to have 2x plus 3, alright? 2x plus 3 equals 1 plus 2 square root x plus 1, okay, plus x plus 1. Okay, so you simplify this, we are going to have here x plus 1 equals 2 times square root x plus 1. Okay, so now one side of the equation still has contain radicals right here. To eliminate this, we need a square root both sides again. So we need both sides square root again. So again the same process. Then we are going to have here, let me write here a square both sides again. Alright, this is the next step. So we are going to have here u square root x to the second power plus 2x plus 1. I'm going to skip some step. I don't want to do all the step. See, remember, this is college algebra class. This is going to be equals 4 times x plus 1. Alright? You simplify this equation, you are going to have x to the second power plus, minus here. Yeah, minus 2x minus 3 equals 0. Alright? I told you, I skipping some step. Alright, you need to check and do by yourself. Maybe you want to do the whole process, try to do it. But this is the right here. So now, this is equals, is going to be equals here, x minus 3 times, those are the factors, x plus 1. Okay, equals 0. That's very important here. Now you have the answer ready. So x, one side, x is equals 3 or x is equals negative 1. Yeah, negative 1 here. Yeah. You know how to do this process. So now we need, we must check those answers or those roots. Okay. In the original equation, then we have to, let me write right here how prove. So we need here, check we must check this proposed roots. okay, in the original equation. Well, this is the next step here, right? So then if x is equals to 3, if x equals 3, what is the original? This is the original, so square root 2x plus 3 minus square root 3 plus 1, no, x plus 1 equals 1, okay? So now substitute here, you substitute x by 3. Here you're gonna have square root number 9. I told you, I'm skipping some step. So it's going to be here, square root 3 minus, and this side, on this term, is equals 4, right? Yeah, square root 4 equals 1. You simplify this. This is 3 and this is 2 equals 1, right? 3 minus 2 is 1, right? The other, let's prove the next. So this is fine, this is right. Next one, if x is equals -1, yeah, that's in the, use the original, okay? The original equation, 2x plus 3 minus square root x plus 1 equals 1. So you substitute this, we are gonna have here square root number 1. Yeah, square root 1 minus square root 0 equals 1. So 1 here minus 0 is equals 1. Right? So this we write. So here both propose solution. So this solution, so the solution, let me use another color. The solution, yeah, the solution x equals 3 and x equals -1, yeah, belong to the solution. So belong to the solution to this equation. I mean, this set, the solution x plus 3, x equals 3 and x -1, let's write, is, I don't want to repeat this word. So this set is 3 -1. That's the solution, okay? So the solution x equals 3 and x -1 is the solution. This set is the solution or this equation. The equation with radicals. So the step, actually you need to take it out the radicals. In this case, just do a square root on both sides, and then if you still contain some radical, so again you must square root on both sides, and then simplify. The last step, just prove to see if you are right or not. In this case, we are right. So this is find the solution. This process is for proof if this is right or not right. Okay. Thank you so much. So far, this is our class. In next class, of course, I will continue with solving more problems with radicals, equation with radicals, and next college